Good morning, and third day. I'm off to third day of excursion in Jaipur, and I'm looking for an auto to take me to the market and Hawa Mahal and everything possible. And I want to see as much as possible today, so fingers crossed. Let's see. By the way, that's Jaipur on a Sunday, and I'm just gonna look if I can get a ride to Hawa Mahal and the market. Let's see. Chalo. So I reached right to the Nahargarh Museum, and I'm on my way over there right now in the auto. Okay, so right now reached the Albert Hall Museum, and this is the area all around me. So I'm gonna take an entry. Let's go inside. Just look at the beauty of this place. So I hired a tour guide, and he's going to give me a tour of about 45 to 60 minutes, I guess, and charge around 250 rupees, which is not bad. And I'll tip him as well because he seems like a really nice guy. So let's see, let the tour begin. Okay, so done with the guided tour, and it was really amazing. Got to know a lot of things about the history of the Jaipur and the kings, and especially about certain other things in the history. So yeah, like an hour and 45 minutes done, really cool. And yeah. Okay, so the next destination that I'm trying to cover up is Hawa Mahal. So I'm just gonna grab an electric tuk-tuk and go over there. So let's go to the next destination. I'm done with Albert Hall and Museum. Cool place. cool. I'm here near Hawa Mahal. So that's the entrance to the Hawa Mahal, and I came all the way back from there, from the main road. Now I need to buy a ticket and get inside this famous place. So bought this. Kinda looks cool on me though. Only for 50 rupees, and I'm taking a train to the Hawa Mahal. Let's go.